Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix if Google Chrome not opening in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and your Google Chrome app is not opening, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection or cellular data. So if you have make sure to you have to enable your airplane mode, then disable it. You have to try it up to 4 or 5 times. Once you have that, you have to connect your internet and then open your Chrome again, and here you have to make sure that your Chrome is opening. But if you're still having the same issue, you have to try to update your Chrome app. So open up your app store, go for search, and you have to simply search for Chrome. And here you have to open Google Chrome, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available in your Google Chrome section. Or if you have any update here, you have to try to update your app. Once you update it, might be your problem will be fixed, or if it doesn't, you have to try to update your system software. Open up your settings, go for general, go for software update. You have to make sure that you haven't any system update available here, or if you have, you have to try to update your software. Once you update it, it will fix your issue, because sometime there will be any software update pending and it will not let you to open app. So you have to make sure that you haven't any update available. If you have, try to update your app and then retry to open your Chrome app. So, or if you are having any issue to open a specific website, so what you have to do, you have to try to connect to a VPN. Open up your app store, install any VPN, and then connect VPN, then retry. So sometimes it might be that if the website you're trying to open is not in your server, so you can try to continue with VPN. So that's how you can easily fix if your Chrome app is not opening in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.